up, guys? Welcome back to Cooking with a K. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cayenne hot sauce. Nothing crazy, just some onions, garlic, peppers, white wine vinegar, add a little bit of salt, drain, strain, you're done. Let's go. I got these peppers right out of my garden, but from the store will do just fine. I did about 15-20 of these. Just a tablespoon of oil. Let the onions cook a little bit. Some salt. Once you see some color, throw some garlic in there. Not too complicated of a process. Once you get color on that onion and garlic, add your peppers. Add your vinegar, just enough to cover them a little bit. Bring them up to a simmer. And then you could take them, put them into a blender. I have an emulsion blender, so you can do it right there on the spot. Once you're done, just let it cool down a bit. And then just strain and follow for more recipes like this. Thanks, guys.